everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about the brand new widgets that are made for your Galaxy Buds Plus, and these widgets came with the latest update from Galaxy Wearable. Now, a widget is just a live running application, so really when you tap right here, like, for example, this calendar countdown, it's going to take you right inside the calendar. These are live running. I'm able to toggle settings inside of the Galaxy Wearable application, and it's the same thing as your weather widget that constantly updates. Now, how you're able to get this is you first want to go inside of your Galaxy Wearable application. So we want to make sure that you have the latest update. And how I found mine was I went to the very top left-hand side and I went to About Galaxy Wearable. I noticed that there was an update. You could also go inside of your Galaxy Store and just to see if all of your applications are updated. That's another location you can find for any type of updates. And then once you have it all updated, you want to press and hold anywhere on the screen that's empty, and you'll see 4 icons on the bottom, one of them being widgets. Now, inside of widgets, this is in alphabetical order, and for me, it's just on the second page. It's the Galaxy Buds Plus with 2 different widgets. You can also do a search for Galaxy Buds or Buds Plus. You'll find it pretty quick, but I found it just on the second page. Once you tap inside of here, you're able to choose one of these two or both, your battery info and quick control. So let's say that we do the quick control. You just drag and drop it anywhere on any page, and you have a couple different settings you can change. Right now, it's automatically set up to match with dark mode, but if I turn this off, I can switch it between white and black. And the other thing you can also do is go for transparency. So if you want your transparency to kind of be a little bit more see-through, you can do that. I can also turn on match with dark mode, and as long as you have black as an option, it'll keep that little transparency going. So I'm going to bring this all the way down. I don't need it to be transparent, but I'm going to keep it as matching with dark mode. And then once you go back, it's going to be set up and you're ready to go. But because this is already set up on my second page, I'm just going to delete it. So taking a look at those 2 widgets and exactly what they do, this one is just toggling 2 different settings. The ambient sound, this means it's on, that means it's off. And then this one right here, which is locking of the touchpad, so now it's off. And then now it's on. I love locking of the touchpad because sometimes when I readjust my headset, I might accidentally tap on the little bud right there, and I just ended a phone call and I didn't want that to happen. So I love the fact of locking that touchpad. And then you can also see live what your battery percentage is for your left, right earbud, as well as the case percentage. So that's it for the video. Write a comment below the video if this is something that you guys have already put onto your phone, if you're about to put onto your phone. These widgets actually help out a lot when it comes down to the Galaxy Buds Plus. But again, give this thing a huge thumbs up if you guys loved it. You can also subscribe to the channel right over here with this little circle. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.